Hi there, Jeremy Chapman for Microsoft Mechanics, working from home. I want to share a quick tip for using Microsoft Teams and also sharing video so that you can have audio coming through the other end of a online meeting. Okay, so let's say you're in a Teams call. You want to review a video or some other recorded audio, something that's playing through your system. What Teams will do by default is not play the audio through Windows. It does on Mac OS. But on Windows, you need to opt in to sharing system audio. So let me show you how to do that. So first, when we hit share, then we'll see that we have our multiple sharing options, Windows and desktops. I'm going to go ahead and click on the desktop in a sec. But before I do that, we want to click on include system audio. This will allow other recipients to hear what I'm sharing. So now you can see that I've actually got one of my favorite videos open, how to use Microsoft Teams, a demo tutorial that we filmed in March of last year. So let's go ahead and hit play. And now what I want to show you first is I have, let me minimize that, is I have my audio muted. I'm actually joined to the meeting as myself to another PC that's off camera, but you'll see that we'll be able to get audio onto that second PC that's joined to Teams. So I'm going to go ahead and hit play.
Built for the web browser as well as in your apps, so you can use all of your devices.
So there you have it. You're able to get the video reviewed in this case, or share a video and have audio for the recipients. Again, without hitting that checkbox, they wouldn't be able to hear the video that you're playing. So I've been in a number of meetings where I've seen people wanting to do this and they haven't shared the audio. So it's just one tip to get that to work.